In this video, you'll learn how to make money just by viewing ads. It's a very simple tutorial. I have it on my screen right here and you're about to see it in a few seconds, but I gotta warn you right from the start. If you skip a step from the video, there's no guarantee you'll be able to make money from this method or withdraw the money. So if you're serious about it, make sure you watch all the video until the end. It's not gonna be hard because this is a no BS tutorial. It's not like a 20-minute video, some of the things that other YouTubers make. And if you're new, you gotta know that I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, you can click the subscribe button because me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 2 videos every single day. It's mostly above 3 and right now we're aiming for 25 and we just want to take over the make money online niche. So we work from day and night. You'll see some videos where it's night times, you see some videos where it's daytime. It's because we work all day for your value. So if you appreciate it, subscribe and like the video. It really helps us out and it means so much. Okay, before we start, I'll also shout you out to help your personal brand or business grow. Just comment your Instagram username down below, take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, I'll show you 4 websites, 4 platforms that can help you get paid to view ads. And the first one is actually serpclicks.com. And the way this website works is businesses want to rank on Google. And when people search for a keyword and click on their specific ad or result, for example, let's say that you're on Google and you type in kitty toys, because that's a business I'm involved in right now. And if your website is somewhere around here and someone clicks on it, the more clicks it gets, the higher it will rank in Google. So the idea is this website right here connects businesses that need more clicks to their website or to their ads on Google basically, but it's free traffic, with people just like you that want to click on ads and make money. So what you gotta do is go down below and click on here, become a clicker, and you can earn from 5 cents to 10 cents per click. Payout minimum is $5, so it's pretty easy and they have a lot of users. So this is the first website. It's a very interesting business model, so I would suggest you check it out because you can withdraw via PayPal. The second website, and I've already talked about this one in one of my other videos, is actually Ad Wallet. And brands want your attention, make them buy it. So when a brand creates an ad, it will spend thousands or millions of dollars to create it. So they need feedback from people in different countries, different age groups, different social status to review the ads and tell them their opinion. So you can get paid for just sharing your opinion after watching ads. So on this website, adwallet.com, you just watch a video, you get rewarded 50 cents, $3 per video interaction. You get $10, you cash out. So there can literally just be 5 videos. They can literally just be 3 videos if they are $3.3 each. And again, I'll have all of these websites linked in the first comment down below and also in the description. Another website that's very old, I actually remember using it when I was 15 or 16 years old. It's called Neobucks. It works the same way. You get paid for viewing ads. You can check it yourself. Which brings us to platform number 4, and that's Scarlet Click. So here you get paid a little bit less. You get 1 cent per click and you are actually earning up to 1 cent. So it can be a little bit less, but the good thing about it is there's a $2 minimum payout and you can get paid where? With Bitcoin, which is really cool because right now Bitcoin's price is going up. Price starts from 1 and with a small minimum payout you can get more invested in the platform and more interested to actually achieve the minimum payout threshold. And they have $2.4 million paid so far and they have over 1 million members, which means at least if we divide 2.4 million being paid out to over 1 million people, it's actually 2.4-ish dollars per member. So this is it. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And remember that video day keeps the doctor away. And by the end of this video, you should definitely check this or this video out. See you next one. Bye.